In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize a vault without folders using OApps and links in Obsidian. Open the Obsidian app. Once it loads, you'll be on the main dashboard, where you can access your vaults and start working with your notes. From here, open your vault so you're inside the workspace where your notes live. Now press Ctrl+N to create a new note. For the title, type Productivity MOC. This will be your first navigational hub, which means it acts like a central note that points to other related notes. Inside this note, create your section headings. Type 2 number signs, then Focus Techniques. On the next line, type 2 number signs, then Habits. Under these headings, start adding internal links by typing 2 opening square brackets. Create links for deep work, then Pomodoro Technique, and then Atomic Habits. These links connect your hub note to the notes related to those topics. Create another new note. Title this one, Learning MOC. In this note, add a heading by typing 2 number signs, then Study Methods. Under that heading, add links for spaced repetition and active recall. This gives you a second hub focused on learning topics. Next, create a top-level hub note and title it Home. Add a heading that says 2 number signs, then My Topics. Under that heading, link both Productivity MOC and Learning MOC. This home note becomes the main entry point that connects your major hubs together. Now, open your Productivity MOC note again. Place your cursor under the Habits section